In today's video, I'll teach you how to create YouTube channel QR code. So if you want to create the YouTube channel QR code, first of all, what you have to do is launch open the Google Chrome browser. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now click on the search bar and type in www.youtube.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged in to your YouTube channel. Now right over here at top right corner, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to see your channel. Click on this option, view your channel. Now you'll be led to your YouTube channel interface. So if you want to create the QR code, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, cast, save and share. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the options related with cast, save and share. Now in the share option, at last, you'll be able to find the option for create QR code. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here the QR code has been created. What you can do is click on the download icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it has been downloaded. Click on the open icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the QR code image has been opened. You can maximize it. Now what you have to do is scan this QR code from the mobile device. I'll switch to the mobile device and show you. Now in your mobile device, what you can do is simply open your camera application, or you can also open the Google Lens if you want. Here I've opened the Google Lens. Now what you have to do is simply scan the QR code using the Google Lens or the camera of your device. Now you can see over here the link will appear. Tap on that link. Now you can see over here your YouTube channel will be opened. So like this, you'll be able to create the QR code. So that is how you create YouTube channel QR code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.